What's going on, everyone? Well, today we get to talk a little bit about replacing the bumper on the 64. Tools that you will need would be a 1.5 millimeter hex, a 2 millimeter hex, as well as a Phillips standard screwdriver. You will have the provided parts that we have provided with the new flexible bumper set. They do include new license plate stickers as well. So let's get started. I like to use the foam to set the body onto, flip it upside down to help avoid any excess scratches to be done. Using the 2 millimeter driver, I will remove the 3 front screws that are fixed to the front bumper. Pretty simple and easy to do at this point. Nothing crazy, just remove each individual screw. Make sure to note that you will need to remove the turn signal light buckets and lenses to swap over into the new bumper. For simplicity reasons, I went ahead and pre-installed the lenses and buckets onto the new bumper to prepare it for the installation. After swapping over the lenses and buckets, you will just start the reinstallation process. Remember, there are 3 screws. Make sure that the actual mold fits into the mounts themselves. Grabbing the 2 millimeter driver, I like to start by inserting the screw through the center hole first. Using a little bit of force to get the threads to start will help immensely. We do not recommend using any drill or electric device to drive these screws in. So that should just about do it. We actually removed and reinstalled a total of 7 screws, swapped over the lenses and the buckets for the turn signals. Now you can move on to the rear where it's just as easy. We hope this was helpful for you, and we can't wait to see your 64 on the streets.